Hello, today I'm in FORD Transit. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Firstly, press this button, 3 lines button, to enter menu. Here you can find settings, my view, trip computer, status information, vehicle maintenance, trip economy, audio settings and phone settings. Let's go back. Now, when we are on this screen, you can push this knob downwards or upwards to find trip 1, trip 2 and fuel economy computers. Also, on the screen you can find range, start-stop system status, odometer, coolant temperature and fuel capacity. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.